Okay, so let's see the beautiful flower. Oh, how beautiful! Wow. Daffodil. And there are some larger ones. See, this one is a different kind, I think. And I put two of them in my in a flower vase, and it's so pretty. So pretty. Oh, these two. Wow. Look at them. Oh. The color is cold. It's relatively cold color. And look at the plums. These will be plum jams. Oh, so good. Okay, so let me just sit here and we have a comfortable chat. Okay, let me do it. Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I am sitting in my backyard with my little purchase, my loser unboxing. It's because I love it so much I spend my money. Okay, so here, let me do an explanation about loser unboxing, and for good. Every time I will refer to this video. So this started. I like something fun and interesting. Sometimes we shop, and I did some tedious stuff, and I found it so pretty, so nice. So I was thinking of doing some unboxing. So I did some unboxing, and to share that joy of opening up something. And then I saw some other YouTubers, very successful, has many viewers, and they do unboxing because they are sponsored, so they are winners. And I have to spend my own money to buy. Nobody sponsors me, so I call it loser unboxing. So it starts like this, and as I start to do some video, and from time to time there are companies contact me, give me, okay, you if you show this, we will give you for free. And so I am a winner. Start from a backyard water pump or something, water tube something, and it's very fun. And so I got started. Oh, sorry, the background noise. So I got started. So I became winner, and then I was thinking, loser unboxing. Maybe I should keep that name. Loser. It means the product is so good that I am willing to spend my money, to lose my money, to make a negative on my bank account, to not really negative, to deduct money from myself to enjoy, to buy. So on the one side, it's a very humble way. I am a loser. I'm not too bragging. And on the other side, for any company who get the product, who really who sell that product, it's the best appraisal for them, because they do not need to give me money. They do not need to provide me anything. I am happy to buy things. We are happy to buy things, and this is the most true and original feeling. So, okay, so that's the explanation of loser unboxing. Okay, so I just stayed inside the home the whole day and becoming quite tired. And I still could stay inside to do something productive. And then I start to think, maybe I can do something productive, but it will not be good, because the accumulation of indoor negativity, maybe you do not feel it. Maybe you are still in good spirit and want to keep on doing. But sometimes we need to put a stop on ourselves. We do not need to be billionaire. We do not need to get up at 5 o'clock. We do not need to drink green juice. We can eat what our stomach feel comfortable. We can get up at the time we wake up. We can对不起，马上就好了，好吗？ We can do things we like, and if we do it in moderation, if we take our time, take our turn to do things the right way, then we can enjoy life and live a good life. And we do not have to force ourselves and make our body uncomfortable. If we do that, what is the meaning of life, right? You torture yourself day and night. You torture your stomach because you do not want to allow yourself to eat the food you like. That is not right. It is important that we do everything a little bit. We enjoy life, and I think heaven made our body function. Our body is a very magic machine. It could function well if we take care of it and do it right. Does not have to go any extreme. And one friend asked how to lose weight or something, but actually in very close people very close to me have successfully lose weight, and I will tell you his story. So he started by he just one day he suddenly got interested into this keto diet or something. I don't know. So he started not to eat flour and wheat, this kind of starch kind of food. So he just started and keep on, get up in the morning, do half an hour exercise or nothing too extreme, and go to swim, and just no starch. I think everyone has one point that can work, and for him it's just not eating starch, and then there is a huge change, and from eating a lot of starch into no starch. At the very beginning was really strict, no starch, and bought some cauliflower rice or something. Everyone was laughing at him. You are eating this. And in dinner time, in lunch time, it becomes quite unpopular. Everyone is eating the normal food, and he eats something different. It is is quite unpopular, but if you decide to do something, you just decide to do something and go with it. And eventually, he lost his weight to 40 pounds or something. And there was an extreme, just at that time, it was quite a big weight loss and change into such a fit body. And then slow down that movement, but swimming and morning routine, morning exercise is always then kind of kept that a little bit bouncing back, but it's just become quite a sustainable thing. So no matter how you choose to do things and how you do things, slowly, and you may become unpopular for what you do, but if you understand that this is what I should do, you will be there, I think. And for people who lose weight, everyone, if you want to achieve something, there will be a big hard time. For me also, yes, there was, when I was in university, there was some hard time, and then you get over it. And the important thing is you maintain it. Once you reach to that extreme point, you look back and you see, okay, I can do it, and it is encouraging, and you can keep on it, as long as you do not do something too extreme. Yeah, that is my thought. And it's just so good to sit outside and look at the backyard. There are people who do not like you. There will be always people who do not like you. Do not try too hard to please the people who do not like you. They will not like you. They will not like you. Do not try. Do not try that. Care about the people who love you, who care about you. And no need to prove to the people who dislike you and prove that you are worthy of their like, of their love. It's too much work. No need. Just it's enough if you please the people who likes you. Don't overwork yourself. Oh, it's so good. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye-bye, friend.